Hey YouTube, it's Aqua. Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here. I'm gonna show you on TikTok. I mean, freak. Yeah, yo YouTube, it's Aqua. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how to put blur on your background, your 9:16 videos on CapCut. So you see how this is blurred, and you can change it like this or this or this. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to have your video here on your timeline, right? And then you can hover over one to do it for one, or you can do it for all of them. I would probably advise all of them, I'm sure, maybe. But just highlight over the ones you want, go over to the video section, go all the way to the bottom, click on canvas, and then hit the drop down. It's going to say none. Do blur, and then that's how you make it blur immersed to go on there. Or you can do colors if you wanted to, or you could do patterns if you really want to get freaky. And then once you get the patterns on here, see, and then once you get out of that, you got brand background, so that you could like put actual pictures on there. But for now, we're gonna do blur, and that's how you do it. That's how you put blur or a picture or a photograph from Instagram on your actual 9:16 video. If you have any other questions, let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.